By creating queues, you allow your teams to organize tickets based on different criteria. So how exactly do you create a queue in Jira Service Management? Well, it's actually pretty simple. I'm in my all open tickets queue, where I have a total of 6 tickets. 5 of them are incidents and 1 of them is a service request. They're all marked by priority. The first one having a medium priority, second one low, third one critical, fourth one highest, and the last 2 critical. What we're going to do in this example is create a queue to filter out only incidents by critical priority. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our project, click on incidents, and then click on queue settings at the bottom. Then click on the create queue button. And let's give this queue a name, critical incidents. And what we're going to do is filter out by priority. So we're going to type in priority and make sure critical is selected. Now to show that in our columns, we also have to type in priority. And if you don't see it because it's all the way at the right hand side, you might just want to move it right after the key column. All right. And then we're going to click on create at the bottom right. And voila, we have our critical incidents queue.